Have you ever imagined that the king of the jungle comes in a dazzling array of colors, patterns, and forms, each more extraordinary than the last? Today, we are about to embark on a journey into the hidden corners of the world, uncovering 7 lions so rare and unique that few people have ever laid eyes on them. These majestic creatures carry stories that blur the line between myth and reality, secrets that have been whispered through generations yet remain largely unknown to the outside world. From dense tropical forests to the sweeping savannas, each of these lions has carved out a life that is both extraordinary and perilously fragile. Their appearances are as diverse as the lands they roam, some cloaked in golden splendor, others with jarring shades that defy expectations, and a few with mysterious markings that seem almost otherworldly. Behind their beauty lies an astonishing history, entwined with local legends, royal traditions, and the harsh realities of survival in ever-changing landscapes. Imagine the thrill of encountering a lion whose lineage stretches back centuries, a living emblem of resilience and power that has survived where countless others have vanished. Some have been celebrated by emperors, revered by tribes, or whispered about in folklore. Others remain almost entirely hidden, shadows of the wilderness, surviving against all odds. Each one tells a story not only of survival but of wonder, reminding us just how vast and mysterious the natural world can be. As we uncover the secrets of these 7 rare lions, prepare to be amazed by their distinct traits, astonishing behaviors, and the subtle ways evolution has sculpted them to thrive in some of the planet's most challenging environments. You'll discover how their unique adaptations have allowed them to hunt, communicate, and reign as true sovereigns of their domains, even as humans encroach on their territories and their numbers dwindle. So hold your curiosity close and get ready to step into a world where every glance at a lion reveals a story untold, a mystery waiting to be unraveled. This is not just a glimpse at the king of the jungle, it is an invitation to witness nature's artistry at its finest, to connect with creatures so rare they exist almost like legends come to life. Stay with us, because what you are about to see will forever change the way you view the world's most iconic predator. The Congo lion. The Congo lion is a rare enigma of the African wilderness, a predator whose very existence whispers secrets of ancient forests. Unlike the more familiar lions roaming the savannas, this lion thrives in the dense, humid heart of the Congo Basin, a landscape teeming with life yet hiding shadows that few explorers have ever dared to penetrate. Its coat is darker, subtly blending with the deep greens of the jungle, while its mane is surprisingly sparse, an adaptation perfectly suited for the hot, moist environment it calls home. This lion's survival is a delicate dance against the relentless encroachment of humans and the constant threat of deforestation. Hunting here is not just a matter of stalking prey, it is a strategic endeavor, shaped by centuries of evolution to hunt elusive forest antelopes and smaller creatures, a testament to its remarkable versatility. Conservationists now work tirelessly to track its movements and protect the remaining populations, as every sighting is a rare glimpse into a lineage that might otherwise vanish from the earth. Historically, local tribes have revered the Congo lion as a symbol of courage and strength, attributing spiritual significance to its distant, echoing roar. Folktales describe the lion as a guardian of the forest, its presence ensuring balance and warning villagers of unseen dangers. These stories carry a weight that transcends generations, painting a portrait of a creature not just feared for its power but deeply respected for its mystical essence. Scientific interest in the Congo lion has grown in recent decades, as researchers study its genetics to determine whether it constitutes a truly distinct subspecies or represents a unique regional variation. Every discovery adds layers to our understanding of African lions as a whole, revealing hidden threads of evolution and adaptation that challenge what we thought we knew about these apex predators. The more scientists learn, the more the Congo lion becomes a symbol of nature's complexity and resilience. Encountering a Congo lion in its natural habitat is an experience few can imagine, the thrill of spotting its dark mane through the undergrowth, hearing the subtle rustle of leaves as it moves with silent authority. It reminds us that the wild still holds wonders unseen and that some of the planet's most extraordinary creatures continue to survive in the shadows. The Congo lion is more than a predator, it is a living testament to the hidden marvels of our world, urging us to protect the lands it calls home. The Abyssinian lion. The Abyssinian lion, also known as the Ethiopian lion, is a living emblem of strength and ancient heritage. Nestled in the highlands of Ethiopia, this lion possesses a mane darker and thicker than most of its African relatives, giving it a regal and almost mythical appearance. Its coat varies from deep reddish-brown to nearly black, making it a sight that has fascinated explorers, historians, and wildlife enthusiasts for centuries. Each step it takes across the rugged landscapes is a reminder of its enduring presence and the resilience that has allowed it to survive where many others have not. Throughout history, this majestic lion has been revered as a sacred symbol of power by Ethiopian royalty. Emperors would keep these lions in their palaces, showcasing them as living icons of authority and divine protection. One of the most famous was the black-maned lion of Emperor Haile Selassie, which captivated visitors and became an emblem of the nation's pride. These lions were more than animals, they were legends walking among humans, embodying courage, wisdom, and the enduring spirit of a proud civilization. Despite its legendary status, the Abyssinian lion faces numerous challenges today. Habitat loss, hunting, and human expansion have placed tremendous pressure on its dwindling populations. Conservationists are working tirelessly to protect its remaining territories, implement breeding programs, and ensure that this ancient lineage continues to thrive. Every effort to preserve the Abyssinian lion is a fight to maintain a living connection to the past, a reminder of the natural and cultural history it represents. Scientists studying the Abyssinian lion have discovered fascinating genetic traits that suggest it may be one of the oldest lineages among African lions. Some researchers believe its ancestry could be linked to lions that once roamed northern Africa, making it a living bridge between extinct populations and the lions we see today. Each discovery deepens our understanding of evolution, adaptation, and the remarkable journey these lions have endured through millennia. Encountering an Abyssinian lion in the wild is an unforgettable experience. From the gleam of its dark mane under the African sun to the silent confidence in its gaze, this lion embodies majesty, history, and survival. Its presence is a reminder of the wonders of the natural world and of the responsibility we bear to protect these extraordinary creatures, whose stories continue to inspire awe and admiration across generations. The West African lion. The West African lion is one of the rarest and most vulnerable lion populations on the planet, a true guardian of Africa's western savannas. Found in countries like Senegal, Nigeria, and Burkina Faso, this lion stands out with a lighter coat and a less dense mane, perfectly adapted to the scorching heat and arid landscapes of its homeland. Its slightly smaller size compared to other African lions is a remarkable example of evolution in response to limited prey availability, yet it exudes the same power, courage, and presence that have long symbolized the king of beasts. Throughout history, the West African lion has held a revered place in the cultural fabric of local communities. Countless kingdoms and tribes use the image of this lion in their emblems, representing authority, bravery, and leadership. Its roar was not just a warning to prey but a symbol of the strength and resilience of the people who shared its land. These lions have been intertwined with human history for centuries, embodying both fear and admiration, a living testament to the shared legacy between humans and wildlife. Despite its historical significance, the West African lion faces a critical struggle for survival. Human expansion, agriculture, and poaching have dramatically reduced its population, making it one of the most endangered lion subpopulations in Africa. Conservation programs have become urgent missions, with scientists monitoring habitats, implementing anti-poaching strategies, and working with local communities to safeguard the lion's fragile existence. Each successful conservation effort is a step toward preserving an irreplaceable piece of Africa's natural heritage. Genetic studies reveal that the West African lion may possess a unique lineage, more closely related to the now extinct lions of North Africa than to other contemporary African lions. This discovery underscores the importance of protecting this subpopulation, as it carries genetic traits that are invaluable for understanding the evolutionary history of lions across the continent. Protecting these lions means preserving not only their species but also the genetic diversity that connects past, present, and future. Witnessing a West African lion in its natural environment is a rare and awe-inspiring experience. From the golden shimmer of its coat under the midday sun to the silent power in its movements, this lion embodies both the fragility and the majesty of life in the wild. It is a living symbol of resilience, reminding us of the wonders that remain hidden in Africa's less explored regions, and of the urgent responsibility we share to ensure that these magnificent creatures continue to roam the lands they have dominated for centuries. The white lion. The white lion is one of the most extraordinary and mesmerizing variations of the king of the jungle. Unlike albinos, these lions owe their striking appearance to a rare genetic mutation called leucism, which reduces pigmentation while keeping their eyes and skin normally colored. Found primarily in the Timavati region of South Africa, the white lion carries an almost mystical aura, revered by local communities as a symbol of peace, spiritual significance, and natural wonder. Every sighting is a reminder of how nature can create miracles that defy ordinary expectations. Historically, the white lion was first observed by hunters in 1938, yet it remained largely unknown to the wider world until its rediscovery decades later. Since then, its rarity has sparked both fascination and controversy, as some white lions live in captivity while truly wild populations remain perilously small. Conservation efforts now focus on protecting their natural habitats, breeding programs, and ensuring that these rare lions continue to exist in the wild, rather than being confined solely to enclosures or human care. What makes the white lion particularly remarkable is how its unusual coloration does not hinder its survival. Despite standing out against the savanna, these lions have developed exceptional hunting strategies, often relying on stealth, teamwork, and timing to capture prey under the cover of night or dense vegetation. This adaptation demonstrates the incredible ingenuity of nature, balancing vulnerability with precision and resilience, allowing these lions to thrive even when their striking coats make them more visible. Beyond their hunting prowess, white lions hold a deep cultural and spiritual significance for the people of South Africa. Local legends portray them as guardians of the land, embodiments of purity, wisdom, and divine protection. Their presence has inspired countless stories, artwork, and rituals, creating a connection between humans and the natural world that transcends ordinary understanding. The white lion is more than a rare animal, it is a living legend, a bridge between myth and reality that continues to captivate hearts worldwide. Encountering a white lion is an experience that transcends the ordinary, it is a glimpse into the extraordinary creativity of nature. From the soft shimmer of its pale coat in the sunlight to the silent intensity of its gaze, this lion embodies both beauty and strength in its purest form. Witnessing such a creature reminds us of the fragility and wonder of the wild, urging us to protect these magnificent animals so that future generations can also marvel at the astonishing diversity and majesty of our planet's most iconic predator. The Barbary lion. The Barbary lion, also known as the Atlas lion, is one of the most legendary and historically celebrated lions in the world. Once roaming the mountains of North Africa, spanning regions of modern-day Morocco, Algeria, and Tunisia, this lion was renowned for its impressive size and a mane so thick and long that it often extended down to its belly. Its majestic appearance inspired awe among locals and travelers alike, solidifying its place as a symbol of strength, courage, and imperial power throughout history. In ancient times, the Barbary lion held a unique role in human culture. Roman mosaics, historical texts, and tales of explorers highlight this lion's extraordinary presence, often portraying it as the ultimate emblem of dominance in nature. Beyond art and literature, these lions were used in arenas, showcasing their power and ferocity in contests that fascinated audiences, while further embedding them into human imagination and mythology. The Barbary lion was not just a predator, it was a living legend, representing the might of empires and the untamed grandeur of the wild. Sadly, this majestic lion faced relentless hunting and habitat loss with the advance of colonization and human expansion. By the mid-19th century, the Barbary lion had been nearly wiped out in the wild, surviving only in captivity or through careful breeding programs in select zoological collections. Each captive lion became a precious connection to a lineage that was disappearing from the earth, highlighting the fragility of nature in the face of human activity. Scientific research into the Barbary lion has revealed fascinating insights into its genetic heritage. Many zoologists debate whether pure Barbary lions still exist today, as most individuals in captivity may carry mixed genetics with other African lion subspecies. Despite these uncertainties, conservationists remain committed to preserving their legacy, using modern breeding techniques and genetic studies to maintain as much of this extraordinary lineage as possible. Every effort is a chance to honor a species that once ruled the North African mountains with unparalleled majesty. Encountering a Barbary lion, whether through historical accounts or in managed conservation programs, evokes a profound sense of wonder and respect. Its sheer presence, combined with its storied past, reminds us of the powerful connection between humans and wildlife. The Barbary lion is a timeless symbol of strength, survival, and the awe-inspiring beauty of nature, calling us to protect and preserve the remarkable creatures that continue to inspire our imagination and enrich our understanding of the natural world. The Cape Lion. The Cape lion is one of the most tragic yet fascinating chapters in the history of African wildlife. Once roaming the southern regions of Africa, particularly the Cape Province in modern-day South Africa, this lion was famous for its enormous size and a strikingly dark mane that spread across its chest and abdomen. Its appearance was not just majestic, it commanded respect, symbolizing power, dominance, and the untamed spirit of the African wilderness. During the colonial period, the Cape lion became a target for hunters and settlers who saw its immense presence as a threat to livestock and expansion. Intensive hunting throughout the 18th and 19th centuries led to its rapid decline, and by 1858, the last confirmed wild Cape lion was killed. Its disappearance marked the loss of one of the most iconic lion lineages on the continent, a poignant reminder of how human activity can irrevocably alter the natural world. Despite its extinction in the wild, the Cape lion's legacy survives through careful documentation, preserved specimens, and potential descendants in captivity. Some zoologists and conservationists are working tirelessly to identify hybrid individuals in zoos, exploring the possibility of selectively breeding to preserve the unique traits of this legendary lion. These efforts represent not only a hope to honor the Cape lion's memory but also a broader mission to understand and safeguard the genetic diversity of all lions. The Cape lion was more than an animal, it was a symbol of the wild's grandeur, a testament to strength, endurance, and the fragility of life in a changing environment. Its story teaches us about the consequences of unchecked exploitation and the importance of protecting the natural world before it is too late. Every piece of historical record, every preserved mane or skeleton, serves as a tangible connection to a lineage that once roamed freely and powerfully across southern Africa. To imagine a Cape lion in its prime is to witness a creature that embodied the essence of the wild itself. From the deep, imposing mane to the commanding presence it held over its territory, this lion remains an enduring legend. Its story continues to inspire conservationists, wildlife enthusiasts, and anyone who marvels at the wonders of nature, reminding us that while some creatures may vanish from the wild, their legacy, and the lessons they leave behind, can last forever. The Black Lion. The black lion is perhaps the most enigmatic and mysterious figure among lions, straddling the line between myth and reality. While some believe it to be a distinct subspecies, there is currently no definitive scientific evidence of a population of true black lions in the wild. What has been documented are rare genetic variations and melanistic traits that give certain lions a dramatically darker mane, sometimes appearing almost completely black from a distance, shrouding them in an aura of legend and intrigue. Stories of the black lion have been passed down through African folklore for centuries. Local tribes often described it as a guardian spirit of the wilderness, a symbol of protection and mystical power. Explorers and hunters in the 19th century reported sightings of lions with unusually dark manes, fueling rumors of a creature that seemed larger than life, untouchable, and otherworldly. These accounts blended with myth, creating a lion that exists as much in imagination as in reality, inspiring awe and curiosity alike. Although the existence of a truly black lion remains unconfirmed, melanistic lions with darkened manes provide insight into the fascinating ways genetics can influence appearance. These rare variations remind us of the unpredictable creativity of nature, producing individuals that stand out from the crowd while still fulfilling their role as apex predators. Every sighting or report adds to the lore, deepening the mystery and fascination surrounding these extraordinary felines. The allure of the black lion lies not only in its appearance but also in the symbolic weight it carries. It represents the unknown, the untamed, and the magical potential of wildlife that continues to surprise us. In many ways, it is a mirror of human fascination with the wild, our desire to explore, understand, and connect with creatures that challenge our imagination and expand our sense of wonder. Even without confirmation of its existence, the legend of the black lion captivates hearts and minds across generations. Its story invites us to imagine, to dream, and to recognize the hidden marvels still present in nature's most remote corners. The black lion embodies mystery, survival, and the enduring power of wildlife to inspire awe, serving as a reminder that our planet still holds secrets waiting to be discovered and celebrated. As we reflect on the incredible diversity of these 7 rare lions, it becomes clear that each one carries a story far beyond its striking appearance. From the shadowed depths of the Congo Basin to the mystical highlands of Ethiopia, and from the golden plains of West Africa to the sacred lands of Timbavati, these lions embody resilience, adaptation, and the enduring power of nature. They are living testaments to the wonders of evolution and the intricate balance that sustains life on our planet. Each lion we explored today teaches us a vital lesson about survival and the fragility of the natural world. The Congo lion reminds us of the hidden treasures that still exist in remote forests, the Abyssinian lion carries the weight of ancient heritage and royal reverence, and the West African lion demonstrates how strength and courage endure even in the face of extreme adversity. The white lion reveals the astonishing creativity of genetics, the Barbary lion speaks to history and legacy, the Cape lion reminds us of what can be lost, and the black lion challenges our imagination, showing that mystery and wonder still thrive in nature. When we think about these creatures, it is impossible not to feel a sense of responsibility. Their survival is intertwined with our choices, our conservation efforts, and our respect for the wild spaces that sustain them. Protecting these lions is not just about preserving species, it is about safeguarding the stories, the genetics, and the untamed beauty that has inspired humanity for centuries. Their lives are threads in a much larger tapestry, a reminder that the natural world is as fragile as it is extraordinary. As you consider the incredible journey we have taken through the lives of these rare lions, ask yourself, what can we do to ensure that future generations will witness such wonders? How can we contribute to a world where these magnificent creatures continue to roam freely, inspiring awe and respect in all who encounter them? The answers lie not only in conservation but in our awareness, our choices, and our willingness to act to protect the wild. If this journey into the realm of the rarest lions inspired your imagination and deepened your appreciation for the wonders of the natural world, take a moment to join our growing community. Subscribe to the channel to explore more incredible stories of wildlife, give this video a like to show your support, and share your thoughts in the comments. Tell us which lion amazed you the most, or what other hidden marvels you would like us to reveal. By engaging, you become part of a movement that celebrates and protects the extraordinary creatures that make our planet truly remarkable.